Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how long Remitly takes to send money. When you send money through Remitly, the delivery speed depends primarily on two factors: the transfer speed option you select and the payment method you use to fund the transfer. Remitly offers two main speeds for most destinations: Express and Economy. The Express transfer option is designed for speed. Money sent via Express is usually available within minutes. To qualify for this time frame, you must pay using a debit card, credit card, prepaid card, or mobile wallet like Apple Pay or Google Pay. This option is ideal when the recipient needs cash immediately, though it typically carries a slightly higher fee or exchange rate markup due to the accelerated processing. The Economy transfer option is designed to save money. Transfers sent via Economy typically take between 3 to 5 business days to arrive. This option is usually funded by linking your bank account through an ACH transfer or direct bank debit. While it takes longer, it often features lower transfer fees or better exchange rates, making it the preferred choice for non-urgent transfers. Actual delivery times can also be influenced by factors outside of Remitly's direct control. Banking hours in the recipient's country, weekends, and national holidays can cause delays if you are sending funds directly to a bank account or for cash pickup at a physical location. Furthermore, standard security and compliance reviews required by financial regulations may occasionally require additional time to verify transaction details. To check the exact estimated delivery time for your specific corridor before you commit, you can use the Remitly app or website calculator. Simply select your sending country, receiving country, and payout method to see the current processing times and associated costs updated in real time. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.